This Korean beef bowl only cost me $2 per serving, cheaper than takeout and faster than delivery. If you're trying to eat delicious meals without draining your wallet, this recipe's for you. Alright, let's start with making our sauce. This sauce is a key component that gives the ground beef those rich, sweet, and salty flavors which is full of that umami goodness. So in a bowl, add 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, a 1/4 cup of honey, and mix it all together. If you're really in a pinch, swap honey for white sugar. You can buy 2 kilograms for $2. That would save you nearly 50 cents a serving, which can be a game changer. With our wok on high heat, add in about 1 pound of ground beef and start breaking it down into smaller pieces. Ground beef is going to be our priciest part here. I was able to buy a pack for $5 a pound. I saw in the US the average price of ground beef per pound is $6.32. That's a 55% jump from 5 years ago. Ouch. So if you see a sale, grab it like it's a rare drop. As a Canadian, how's them tariffs working out for ya? Anywho, cooking the ground beef on high heat will have both water and fat released from the meat. The water will evaporate and the beef will cook in its own juices without any additional cooking oil. That's free flavor. Can't go wrong there.
Heads up, there's smoke in the hallway. The alarm may sound. It's going to be loud.
So probably a good time to turn on the range hood. This is what I get for trying to film without that large fan noise. Time to fix in post. Okay, moving on. After a few minutes, add in the garlic that we finely minced so it can also cook in the juices of the ground beef. I'll also add in a pinch of chili flakes here as I forgot to put them as part of the sauce, but no worries, we're all good here. Now let's add in a tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds, the white part of the green onions that we sliced, and finally, time to add in the sauce. This is where the flavor levels up. The ground beef will start to absorb the sauce, soaking up that soy sauce and honey, giving that sweet, salty, and rich flavor that we want. The honey will also caramelize a little, and the color of the beef will change to a deeper, vibrant brown. Green part of the green onions in, grab a bowl and dish out some white rice, and pour that saucy beef over the rice. Add some additional green onions for garnish, and this is ready to serve. All for the low price of $2 per serving. And guess what? That's in Canadian dollars. Isn't that something like 50 cents US? Jokes aside, this was all done in under 25 minutes. If you want to see it done in real time, you can check out my Patreon for early access. Alright, time for a little taste test. Look at that. Bon appetit! This is delicious. It's sweet and it's salty. The honey and the soy sauce, they work so well together. The sesame seeds and the green onions add a little bit of crunch, and the garlic adds some aroma. $2 a bowl, never felt this good. And there you have it, Korean beef bowl, 4 servings for $8. You'll have a hard time finding a takeout meal for the fam at that price. Don't forget to like and subscribe, it's free, and I'll let you know when the next budget recipe comes out to keep your wallet full and your stomach happy to platform through life. Want to support me directly? Check out my Patreon. Big thanks to all of you for making it this far, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care everyone.